The most hyped AI technologies right now are at the forefront of innovation. Number one, generative AI. Large language models like GPT-4, OpenAI, LLAMA Meta are being used in chatbots, content generation, coding assistant, and more. Generative image and video models, tools like DAL-E, Mid-Journey, and Stable Diffusion are generating high-quality images from text prompt and opening up new possibilities in art, design, and media. Application, content creation, marketing, personalized customer service, and rapid prototyping for design. Number two, AI for drug discovery and healthcare. AI drug discovery technologies are like AlphaFold, and other AI-driven drug discovery platforms are accelerating the process of finding new drugs and treatments. Medical imaging and diagnostics. AI is increasingly being used to interpret X rays, MRIs, and other medical scans with high accuracy, aiding in faster diagnosis. This is applying on pharmaceuticals, precision medicine, diagnostics, and healthcare automation. Number three, autonomous systems, self driving vehicles. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are advancing autonomous driving technology, although regulatory and technical hurdles remain. Drones and robotics. AI powered drones and robots are being developed for tasks in sectors like delivery, agriculture, logistics, and manufacturing. These techniques are applying on transportation, agriculture, warehousing, and defense. Number 4, Edge AI and IoT. Edge computing. AI at the edge allows data processing closer to the device, like cameras, sensors, rather than a central server, improving response times and security. For smart devices, AI is increasingly integrated into IoT devices from home assistants to industrial sensors, enabling real time data analysis and automation. These technologies are applying on smart cities, industrial automation, home automation, and wearable health devices. Number 5, AI powered personalization and recommendation systems. Platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify use advanced recommendation algorithm to personalize user experience. Customer insights and targetings are retailer and marketers. Number 6, AI ethics, privacy, and fairness solution. There are growing interest in developing AI systems that are transparent, fair, and privacy preserving. Tools are emerging to access AI bias, ensure fairness, and manage data privacy. Government and organizations are focusing on creating ethical AI guidelines and compliance frameworks to address the ethical implications of AI use. Number 7, natural language processing. In this technology, multimodal AI models such as GPT-4 Vision can handle and process text, images, audio, and even video, making them versatile for a wide range of application. In this technology, speech recognition is also another system where technologies like Whisper for transcription and Tacotron for text to speech are pushing NLP capabilities forward. These technologies are reshaping industries by enabling new efficiencies, products, and services. Many companies are actively exploring or adopting these AI advancements to stay competitive. Let me know if you are interested in more detail on any specific technology.